Today I'm gonna discuss a token or an ecosystem that makes Ethereum scalable, faster and cheaper. And it's a layer 2 solution to Ethereum. The transaction fee of sending Ethereum over this network is also very cheap. The token name is Loopring with a ticker LRC, has a current market price of 50 cents with a total and maximum supply of 1.3 billion with a circulating supply of 1.3 billion. Fully diluted market cap is 700 million. If we see its tags, it's saying it's a decentralized exchange, DeFi scaling, zkRollup. So as we have all known, zkRollups is very famous these days. This term is in limelight these days because when Matic brings this technology or inbuild this technology into their ecosystem, it helps Matic ecosystem grow faster and it helps Matic price shoot very faster. So Loopring already has this zkRollups technology inbuilt into their ecosystem. So very potential token that helps Ethereum scalability and make Ethereum faster and cheaper. The answer to the question where I can buy this token is simple. You can buy it on Binance, Coinbase Exchange, Qcoin, Gate.io, Huobi Global, FTX, Kraken, Gemini, Bitfinex, Bittrex, Polynex, Bitrex, Bithum, Uniswap, Femex, Bybit. You can buy it on almost all the tier 1 exchanges. Loopring also have a very active Twitter handle with 208,000 followers. They almost post regularly. They interact with the community on a regular basis. So they have a very active community as well. This is Loopring website mentioning Ethereum first zkRollup layer 2. So it has a great look and feel with a vibrant color. It has all the information you need to know about this token and its ecosystem. This website mentioned that it is very secure and have a very high throughput and very low cost. So all in all, this website has all the information relating to the Loopring token and its ecosystem which you want to know. Just go down to their website and scroll and get as much information as you want. This guy has made a graphical demonstration of how the transaction fee for sending Ethereum over different networks is very cheap for Loopring as compared to other competitive networks like Polygon, zkSync, Optimism, Boba, Arbitrum. So Loopring has the cheapest transaction fee for sending Ethereum. So it has a great potential to become a future prospective token, and we can see this ecosystem grow bigger, faster and more reliable down the road. During the last bull run, it hit all-time high of 3.85 US dollar and a bear market bottom is 31 cents. So it's available on very discounted price today. The next major support level is 68 cents. If it able to cross that level successfully, then according to my opinion, $1 Loopring is coming very soon. So holding this token for a short term will definitely give you a profit, but if you hold it for like 2-3 years, because we all know the next halving is in 2024 and next bull run will gonna start in 2024. So into 2024 its price will be way higher than 3.85 US dollar according to my analysis, because these two tokens, Matic and Loopring, will go neck to neck with Ethereum because they are helping Ethereum in making it efficient, scalable, cheap and faster.